Why Russians love fermented foods and how to make them at home. What if I told you that some of the most beloved Russian foods have been bubbling and fermenting for centuries? From crispy pickled cucumbers to the slightly tangy taste of kvass, fermentation isn't just a food trend in Russia, it's a way of life. But why do Russians love these ancient probiotic-packed foods so much? And how can you make them at home? Let's dive into the science, the history, and of course, the taste of Russia's favorite fermented foods. Fermented foods have been a staple of Russian cuisine for centuries. Long before refrigerators, people needed a way to preserve their food through harsh winters. Enter fermentation. This natural process not only keeps food from spoiling but also enhances its flavor and nutritional value. Even in ancient times, Russians were fermenting everything: cabbage, mushrooms, apples, and even whole watermelons. And let's not forget kvass, the iconic fermented drink made from rye bread, which has been around for over 1,000 years. Beyond just preserving food, fermentation has some serious health perks. It's packed with probiotics, boosts digestion, and even strengthens immunity. No wonder Russians still swear by it. Today, even trendy restaurants are bringing back traditional Russian fermentation, proving that these ancient methods are still relevant. Russian-style fermented foods at home. Step 1. Making Russian sauerkraut. First up, let's make the simplest and most iconic Russian fermented food, Kvashenaya Kapusta, or Russian sauerkraut. All you need is cabbage, salt, and a little patience. Massage the salt into the cabbage, pack it tightly into a jar, and let nature do its work. After a few days, you'll have delicious, tangy sauerkraut, perfect with potatoes, meat, or just on its own. Step 2. Let's talk about kvass, the original Russian soda. Made from rye bread, sugar, and yeast, this slightly fizzy drink is both refreshing and packed with gut-friendly bacteria. Step 1. Toast rye bread. Step 2. Soak it in warm water. Step 3. Add sugar and yeast. Step 4. Let it ferment for a few days. After 2 to 3 days, your kvass will be ready, slightly sweet, slightly tangy, and incredibly refreshing. From ancient Russian villages to your kitchen today, fermented foods are a delicious, healthy, and easy way to add a taste of Russia to your life. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Russian food